Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to answer a question that I regularly have here. And when I talk about something, people will tend to say, well, is what you're talking about for desktop or for a laptop? Or is it, the same thing on a laptop or a desktop or a mini PC? And here's the straight dope about this. All PCs are PCs, meaning whether you have a desktop, a laptop, or a mini PC, when we talk about software, when we talk about hardware, it's all the same. There is no difference. So when you hear something, and even if it says, on a desktop computer, my GPU, there's GPUs in all three of them. It's just that the GPU on a desktop is usually something you can change, where on a mini PC or a laptop, it's something you can't change. That's the only difference. A desktop has more flexibility overall because it's meant to be upgraded, where you can change RAM, you can change the graphics processor, you can even upgrade the CPU most of the time because it's in a socket rather than being soldered on. It's the only difference. If you remove that difference, if you remove the fact that you can upgrade a desktop computer easily, for the rest, everything's the same. So if a video here talks about, for example, we talked about error code 43 about, being either bad driver, some kind of bad connection, or failure of a component within the PC, it's the same for all three. That applies to whatever device you're using with the same rules. The only difference is if the GPU failed on a desktop, you could go buy a new one, replace it, and your desktop will probably be good to go if that failed. On a laptop and a mini PC, if the GPU has a failure, there's nothing you can do about it. You'll have to buy a new computer. It's pretty much like that. Unfortunately, small form factors are not upgradable, or even for the most part, pretty not fixable now today. So don't give your PC a different category because we talk about something. They're all the same. All have the same inner workings, all do the exact same thing. And there is no difference when the PC is running in Windows between all three of them. It's as simple as that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.